Hi, this week on Western Roundup, we give an update on the COVID-19 vaccination program in St. Elizabeth. And then we head to the streets of Montego Bay to hear what residents are saying about the recent announcements made by Prime Minister Andrew Holness in his budget debate about the proposed infrastructural developments for St. James. As usual, it will be good, so stay with us. The Public Health Department in St. Elizabeth continues to work in earnest as they continue to roll out their COVID-19 vaccination program.
In terms of response, the reaction from the persons who have been vaccinated in the parish, in the region so far, very good responses. Persons are embracing the vaccine, they believe in it, and also they have embraced how the staff dealt with them. So I'm very pleased in terms of the responses, the reaction from the persons who have actually gotten the vaccines. And talking about the staff, when we started vaccinating the staff, healthcare workers, and now we're moving to the elderly.
So far, the team at the Southern Regional Health Authority has exceeded its vaccination target and hopes to continue on this trajectory, a feat the health minister is commending.
We are at Balaclava Health Center in St. Elizabeth and just here to observe the vaccination program. Been through a number of parishes now in the St. Elizabeth belt, and so far so good. The team has been working, the place is well organized, nice process flow, and it seems to have gone smoothly in the 6 locations that have been set up in the parish. So more will be done in the days to come, but so far I think so good.
Persons to be vaccinated are being reminded to visit the ministry's website at www.moh.gov.jm or call 888-1LOVE. That's 888-663-5683 to make their appointment, which are both time and location specific. Meanwhile, the recent announcement by Prime Minister Andrew Holness of planned infrastructural development for Montego Bay St. James is being greeted by stakeholders in the tourism capital as a step in the right direction. Taxi drivers, waitresses, business owners, you name it. The consensus is that Montego Bay is definitely in need of the infrastructural upgrade, especially the bypass road, which will seek to alleviate the city's traffic congestion problem.
I think it's an excellent move as it's helped to regulate the traffic, and also whenever time it's rain, we have hard time to go home from point A to point B.
I think the bypass is well overdue and needed. We all understand that during the pandemic things have taken a turn for, I wouldn't say for the worse, but they've been taking a longer time to be done. But when that bypass is created, it's going to allow a lot of free-flowing traffic from Ocho Rios, Portland, all the way down the South Coast. People from the Elegant Corridor can roam up and down on their tours and not have to go through a 2.5-hour traffic delay in the city of Montego Bay.
Would be tremendously good for us because we work, and then the hassling to take taxi to come to work would be easier for us to take a taxi and to go home in the night or in the evening time.
Very excited. It will help to alleviate traffic. The town tends to be congested, especially when it rains and there are flooded roads. Especially operating a business, you have staff who live in neighboring parishes, and with the bypass they will get home quicker and probably more safely, especially if there are any natural disasters or hazards on the road.
The Montego Bay bypass will involve the construction of 25 kilometers of roadway that will consist of 2 segments, a 15-kilometer Montego Bay bypass starting from Ironshore to Bogue, and the Long Hill bypass involving construction of 10 kilometers of highway from Montego Bay to Montpelier. Other projects to be undertaken include a drainage study, which will be undertaken for the Montego Bay Perimeter Road as part of the road improvement project to correct perennial flooding. And that's where we end today, and we are happy you stayed with us. As usual, thanks for watching Western Roundup.
where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Until next time, send us your feedback to jismobe@jis.gov.jm. Stay safe.